Hi everyone, it's Susie. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. So what we have today is a 20 by 20 inch gallery wrapped canvas, and I'm planning to do a straight pour, and I have a mixture of a bunch of different colors. As you can see, they're all being put in the cup, and I layer the cup. Usually I put like the different colors together. Like if I have a few different shades of blue, I'll put them together if they look like they'll complement each other, and vice versa. If I have the purples, I'll do the same. And all I mix with the paints for the straight pours is paint and Floetrol. Sometimes if I have it available, I'll use some liquitex glossy medium or polyurethane high gloss, and that's just if I have it available. Sometimes you just have to go with the flow with what you have in stock. So today it's just Floetrol and water, and this is a large canvas for me. I don't know how people do it on larger canvases than this. This one's kind of difficult for me to maneuver, but I like it. It's a real challenge, and this is going to be a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Hi, I'm back, everyone. So thank you for being here today. I love the way this one's all sparkly and shiny, and it looks 3D. And I hope you liked it as well. I hope you can go and make some yourself that are really nice. It's so much fun. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And for those of you that have subscribed, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And have a great rest of your day, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.